Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, as you can see, the situation isn't looking that good. Close to 20% down. We were probably on some point like that on these prices. As you can see, the lowest points of 0.6063. It's not looking good, but we have something to hope for. I don't think this is catastrophic because we have massive and breaking news that are pushing all crypto market down. It's a big thing right now and it's just the beginning of it, so we will have much more news on this topic. Let's check the price, and now it's 0.6066, but we have, and that's one of the great indicators, big push on the 50%. Now on $15 million, the volume is about that percentage. This is that big push of volume, and it always happens when the prices drop, because that's the best time to buy and invest in some tokens, when of course you have the big drop of the price. Top crypto news, and now we need to watch something like this. I'm just going to read and explain in a short manner what is happening and what these are talking about. Top cryptocurrency news today and the biggest moves in NFT, Bitcoin, crypto rules and more. First of all is over here in cryptocurrency prices today. Crypto markets bleed as Bitcoin, Ethereum fall of Ukraine woes. So that's the big thing over here, and the second news is exactly explaining the same thing. Bitcoin prices goes after Putin declared war on Ukraine. The price of Bitcoin fell sharply after Russian president went on television and announced special military operation, so the thing between Russia and Ukraine are getting really hot, and we can expect more things about that. European Union to grant crypto oversight, new AML watchdog report. One more and big news, and the NFT world is also infected with this and dropped a lot you can see a lot in the last day or two. Let's check something else. We have this good news that this is something of the coverage of the meme tokens in the long term before the meme coin cycle kicks off, as they say. Let's take a look at all the chart to find the most potential meme token of 2022. Article is behind it and let's read it out. Technical analysis on Shiba Inu, DOGELON Mars or Floki Inu. Which one should you go for? What you think is the best one? Before a meme coin cycle winnow kicks in, they want to see what is the best token. This is Floki, and you can see their chart with the volume behind it. This is actually RSI, and you can see that they have actually stable but downtrend, not looking good and not so perfectly. DOGELON Mars has pushed down, and you can see where is the price and all-time high that we need to recover. But you can see right now that we are on the nice level and starting to pick up. Elon is currently in a range. The price is tested and held in the damage zone, showing the buyer strength, with Elon starting to show strength at the price in the macro uptrend for the first time since it released. There is no reason why it cannot expand to, as you can see, 0.50142 token, and you can see flip a range heights in supply zone over here. This would open up and move more than 20% down in the range low or big or below 0.6077 is the likely next point to be interested for bulls. We even go below that price, but that's because of this news over here. This guy says, as you can see, that we are now in the parabolic and that we will go parabolic after this formation. Not familiar to me, but tell me if you know something about this. I'm not that in the trading world, so I don't know all the patterns and shablons, but you can see that this is something that meant to him. And one more really interesting news is over here. Mexican senator to propose BTC as legal tender, bullish for DOGELON, and of course all the crypto. That's normal that all the crypto has the big implement and push the prices when some great news like this one came out. We have now the bad and the good news, so we need to wait, and that's the final thing for this video. We can't know what is happening next, we can just expect and hope for the best.